Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a colourful smoky gel polish design. I've done a black base colour, I've cured it in the lamp, and I've also removed the tacky layer. So I'm now going to go in with white gel polish and create a kind of irregular shape. I'm then going to use a small brush and I'm going to dip it in some cleanser, and I'm just going to use it to manipulate the white so it's a bit more smoky like. Once happy, pop that in the lamp to cure. So next we're going to use some acrylic powder, colours of your choice. I've got a blue, a green and a pink, and this is the brush that I'm going to be using. So we've not removed the tacky layer, we're going to leave it on, and what we're going to do is just dip the brush into the colour of our choice and start popping it onto the nail. We're now just going to brush off the excess. If you've got some powder in places that you don't want, just use your brush in the cleanser again and just gently sweep it away. Next we're just going to apply the gel top coat and cure it in the lamp.